Good day everyone. In this video I'll be teaching you guys how to buy SWP token, the native token of S Wallet protocol via Pancakeswap. Alright, so let's get to it. So this is the page BS scan of the S Wallet protocol, as you can see here. So what you do is you copy the contract address, copy it, and then you go to your trust wallet. Once you open your trust wallet, you add the token because it's a custom token. You add it to your trust wallet so you can easily copy the wallet address. Alright, so let's paste the contract address and then change the network to BNB, and then it comes up S Wallet protocol, the symbol SWP, and then you click done. So SWP has been added to our trust wallet. So what you do now is you go over to the apps in your trust wallet, and then you go over to Pancakeswap, and then once it comes up, go to trade here, right here, and then if you want to get the SWP token, all you need to do is input the contract address again of SWP. Simply paste it, and then it comes up as you can see here. So let's say you want to swap and get your SWP with USDT. USDT is right here. Alright, so you input the number, let's say 100 USDT. This is the equivalent in SWP, and then once you have the a sufficient balance, you just okay, for now let's see, my balance here is 6, so I would just input 6. All right, so so this is what I get with uh the input of 6 USDT. So I enable USDT, and then a smart contract call comes up. Once I confirm and approve the contract, I get the SWP. So if you decide to agree and approve, just click confirm here, and that's it. So once you're done, you go back to your wallet, and then your S wallet account, you log in if you haven't logged in, and then you copy your wallet address from here, tap receive, or simply copy from here, and then your trust wallet must have been funded by now. So all you need to do is tap on send, and then the recipient's address, which is your address from your SWP account, so you paste it. This is it, and you put the amount you want to transfer, let's say 100, and then you tap on continue. And so if you have a sufficient SWP balance, the transaction will go through. Alright guys, so that's it. Very easy. Once you approve it, you move over to your S Wallet account, and then you check your balance. Your balance will be updated with the amount of SWP you transferred from the Trust Wallet. Thank you guys, and see you next time.